Service is the cornerstone of our existence, underpinning everything we do. Without your loyalty and custom, we can't grow our brand and influence. Your success directly links to ours.
Always seeking improvement and evaluating what we're doing today to grow better. Always giving traders the knowledge they need and the tools to succeed from day one. And make the experience fantastic.
We want you to regard us as your fintech partner. We'll be with you every step of the way on your trader journey.
We're not just a broker, but a friend and a partner.
Our vision is to create the best trading experience for you to be successful.
So anyone,
anywhere,
can trade.
Our mission is to offer the best products and services,
build the best technology, and educate you ready for success.
ATFX, a global leader in online trading.